a fourth order with 4 T3 audio TS-NS 18s and 4 woofer and 5Ks, half ohm. Charging usually at 16, but it's not. And I got a dust cap coming off that I put on like 3 times now.
Man. Have you metered it for fun?
I didn't do a sweep or nothing. I did like a 58 with this window down, but it's way louder with the door open.
Yeah. What was your peak on it?
51.
51? Oh, you peak a little high?
That's high.
And you still got to tweak your port.
Yeah, it has no tuning.
It's not even sealed, is it?
Nope.
Oh, man. Oh,
that door's broken. I mean, it broke the window switches off and everything already.
Oh, man.
Use discount code JACOBVILE when you shop at Down for Sound, Sky High Car Audio, and others.
Ready? That's pretty beefy. Oh. Is this the same truck from last time I saw you?
Different setup, same truck.
Same truck?
The pole vent doesn't go all the way through.
Oh, wow.
So there's a lot of pressure on them.
Yeah. What's your ratio on this?
It's a 3-to-1.
3-to-1? How big is your sealed section?
It's shrunk down right now to 10, so it's still got to go down.
So you got 2.5 per 18?
Yeah. But it's still got to come down.
Really?
I might flip them in. If I flip them in, that'll put it to 9.
I'm running mine at 2.8 or so.
Hey, you're a little power though still, aren't you?
I only got 6K.
Yeah.
So I have to be a bigger.
Technically, this had, when I first built it, I only had a 3K, so the seal size got 13 in it.
Oh, so you added to it.
So it's sealed.
Yeah.
I already shrunk it down a lot, but it's just for the power, not to really have it tested.
Looks good.
This is the first glass I ever did.
Yeah, I've never glassed
So
before.
I tried this side, and this is a pain in the butt. So I tried this side with staples, and the staples messed it up. And
Yeah.
I got a lot of bubbles over there. I couldn't roll it out very well.
Nice foam.
That's what I did. I shaped it.
Yeah.
And
Thanks, Josh, I think? Jordan. I remember it was a J.
Yeah.
Let me go look at the amp rack and under the hood.
Hey, it's nice to see you, man.
You too, yes, sir. Triple.
That one's on the car. Damn, I'm shredding that belt.
Oh, yeah.
It's a brand new belt.
Is it loose?
No, you have to max the tension out and put some weight on it so you can get it on.
Yeah, I know.
I am shredding it. I don't know why.
What year is your Explorer?
05.
05, okay.
I'm a 3rd gen here, 4th gen.
06, I'm SOH, yeah. I don't even know where my tensioner is. I have to rev the RPM because it's all digital. It sucks. Nice big amps. Are these half bridge or full bridge?
They're Korean.
Oh, Korean, okay.
What you know about
What's going on, everybody? This is Jacob Vile. I hope you enjoyed the full walk around we just got of Jordan's system he showcased at the Made of Steel show in 2021. This was at the Tampa, Florida area location. Give him a like as well as comment what you like about his system. Really nice, solid amplifier rack that he has staged here. Find out how much battery bank was hidden behind, but I know he's got a lot of juice to support the electrical system. And it's still an incomplete build. His port is even rounded over as well as dialed in, so it's just a test and tuning system. He made it to the show to play it. He was having some subwoofer issues. You're going to see during the demo, he was actually shredding his cone of his subwoofer from a lot of pressure when he turned it up, you'll see. And if you notice the way his subwoofers are inverted, that helps him with the cooling as well as the motor beauty, but you can't really see the subwoofers themselves. But these are the T3 Audio TS-NS subwoofers. I didn't find out what they actual were rated at for the RMS power, but you can see he wired them up really well. Sure, once he completely fixes his build up to where its potential is, it's going to be a 160 dB plus on Music Monster. So he did a really good job, Jordan. And we're getting to the demo now. He did have a short demo because he had some subwoofer blowout issues you were going to see. So if you haven't already, consider subscribing for daily videos coming your way every day, and enjoy this demo. It's pretty impressive.
What you know about way loud down in the deep?
All right.
It might sound really bad because it had dust cap. We'll see.
Yeah, don't blow nothing.
It won't blow it. I ain't worried about it.
Oh, okay.
I came here yesterday and I blew them off and had to glue them back on
Yeah.
already.
418s. I actually just finished 418s building my truck. Explorer.
Yeah, you got the sound cube, right?
HGX4. All right. Something's coming off.
It's the dust cap.
And it's a fourth order, so it's like acting as a small port.
Yeah, it's bad.
Yeah, don't do
Yeah,
that.
well, it's because they don't have, like, they don't have the pole vent. It doesn't go all the way through.
Oh, wow.
So there's a lot of pressure on them.
Yeah. Thanks for the quick demo.
Thank you for watching, everybody, as well as thank you channel supporters. If you want to become a channel supporter, check out the links in the description to show support, as well as thank you everybody for supporting the channel. Also, if you haven't already, use discount code JACOBVILE when you shop at Sky High Car Audio, Explicit Audio, and others. And also, if you haven't already, check me out. I am on social media, Facebook, Instagram, TikTok, and YouTube, as you are seeing here. Go ahead and hit that like button if you haven't already. I really appreciate it. And subscribe. Stay tuned for more daily videos, and I'll see y'all in the next one.